Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into everything beauty related to help you look and feel your best. If you've ever dreamed of achieving that flawless salon-quality manicure right from the comfort of your own home, today's video is for you. We're about to kick off a countdown of the top 5 best dip powder nail systems. A lineup designed to give you everything you need for a perfect at-home manicure that lasts. Now, whether you're a DIY pro or just getting started, this countdown will highlight systems that take the guesswork out of achieving those stunning, long-lasting nails. You'll want to stick around because we're about to reveal some seriously game-changing options that'll transform your nail care routine. Are you ready to find out which dip powder nail system reigns supreme? Let's dive in and discover the top contenders that'll have you skipping the salon and getting gorgeous nails in minutes. Coming in at number 5 on our countdown of the top 5 best dip powder nail systems is the Kiara Sky Dipping Powders Essentials Kit. If you've been searching for an easy-to-use, professional-grade dip powder system that gives you long-lasting, beautiful nails, this could be the answer you've been looking for. What if you could achieve salon-quality nails at home without the hassle? The Kiara Sky Color Dip System Starter Kit offers just that. It's designed to make your nails stronger, lightweight, and more natural looking, all while being a healthier alternative to traditional nail enhancements. This kit not only eliminates the damaging effects that often come with other products, but it also ensures a flawless finish every time. Formulated without harsh chemicals, the Kiara Sky Dip Powders contain complex bonds that resist chipping, discoloring, and lifting, meaning your manicure will last longer and look better. And here's the best part. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need for creative, full-coverage designs. Plus, it includes 3 exclusive limited edition colors you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're a seasoned nail enthusiast or a beginner, this kit is designed to be simple and straightforward, giving you professional results with minimal effort. The ease of use and the stunning outcome make it a standout in the world of dip powder nail systems. And let's not forget, it's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about the products you're using. So, if you want nails that stand the test of time and look flawless, the Kiara Sky Dipping Powders Essentials Kit is definitely one you'll want to try. If you like what you've learned here, don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more tips, tricks, and reviews on the best beauty products out there. Ranked number 4 in our top 5 best dip powder nail systems is the ROSALIND 29 PCS Dip Nails Powder Starter Kit. If you've ever dreamed of creating beautiful salon-quality nails at home, this is the kit that could make that dream a reality. Imagine getting a set of 20 stunning, vibrant colors with everything you need to get started, all in one box. What if you could skip the hassle of UV lamps and still enjoy a long-lasting, chip-resistant manicure? The ROSALIND kit features air-dry technology, so there's no need for time-consuming lamps. This makes it a faster, safer, and more convenient choice, while ensuring your nails stay flawless for over 21 days. Say goodbye to worrying about skin damage or color fading. This dip powder system keeps your nails looking fresh and beautiful. The kit includes 20 unique dip powder colors, ranging from vibrant neon shades to more subtle hues, perfect for any season or occasion. But the real secret to its popularity? It's not just about color, it's about quality. ROSALIND's dip powders are made with a premium formula, offering a smooth, fine texture that looks natural and feels light on your nails. And with ingredients that are breathable, water-resistant, and odorless, you can trust that your nails are getting the care they deserve without risking damage to the nail bed. This is an ideal set for both professionals and beginners alike. Everything you need is in the box: base and top coats, brush restorer, activator, and more, making it incredibly easy to achieve stunning results at home. It's even a perfect gift for someone special, whether it's for a birthday, a holiday, or just a thoughtful surprise. If you like what you're hearing about this kit, don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more in-depth reviews and exclusive tips on the best products out there. Ranked number 3 in our top 5 best dip powder nail systems The Savalan Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter is perfect for both professionals and beginners who want to create stunning, salon-quality nails at home. What if you could achieve flawless, long-lasting nail designs without the hassle of UV lamps or expensive salon visits? This 29-piece kit includes everything you need to get started. 20 vibrant dip powders, base and top coats, activator, brush saver, and more, giving you the freedom to experiment and create unique, colorful styles that truly stand out. The best part? You don't need a UV lamp, which means no harmful light exposure and no waiting for your nails to cure. Simply apply the powder and let it air dry for quick, beautiful results. Plus, this system is easy to use, even for beginners, so you can skip the complicated steps and dive straight into designing your nails. Say goodbye to nails that chip or peel after just a few days. The Savalan Dip Powder Nail Kit offers superior quality, ensuring your nail designs stay flawless for up to 4 weeks. The powder is vibrant, color-fast, and chip-resistant, perfect for anyone who wants their nails to look stunning for longer. Imagine having the ability to customize your nail art, mixing colors, and creating a design that's totally unique to you. Whether you're using it for natural nails, acrylics, or even false nails, this kit offers versatility like no other. And if you're worried about safety, don't be. This kit is made with green, healthy, and safe ingredients, ensuring a worry-free experience with every use. Plus, if you ever need assistance, the customer support team is ready to help. So if you're looking for a quick, easy, and long-lasting way to elevate your nail game, this is your perfect solution. Add the Savalan Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter to your cart and discover what makes it one of the top 5 best dip powder nail systems. And if you like what you've learned, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best dip powder nail systems? Well, don't leave your nails hanging. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Mani moment. In the number 2 spot of our top 5 best dip powder nail systems, we have the Azure Beauty 18 Pieces Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter. If you're looking to create salon-worthy nails from the comfort of your home, this kit has everything you need to take your manicure game to the next level. What if you could have a vibrant, glossy manicure that stays flawless for over 28 days, no LED lamp required? That's exactly what Azure Beauty promises. Whether you're typing away at your desk, working out, or even digging in the garden, this dip powder system is designed to resist chipping and maintain its gorgeous finish. This kit includes 8 stunning shades, ranging from clear and pink to nude, so you can create the perfect color for any occasion. Plus, the complete set comes with dip powder liquids, base coat, activator, top coat, and even a matte top coat for those who love a chic matte finish. You also get nail files, a brush, swatch sticks, and a nail recycling tray, ensuring that you have everything you need to create beautiful nail art at home. The powder is ultra fine with a smooth texture that's easy to apply. Forget the strong smells of traditional nail polishes or gels. Azure Beauty's dip powder formula is odor-free, lightweight, and natural-looking, giving you that salon-quality look without the hassle. What really sets this kit apart? It's all about the long-lasting results. With proper application, your nails will stay shiny and intact for at least 21 days, if not longer. Plus, the matte top coat option offers a refreshing change, perfect for fall and winter nail designs. Best of all, Azure Beauty uses safe, cruelty-free, and paraben-free ingredients, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals damaging your nails. It's a great choice for beginners and professionals alike, offering a quick and easy solution to DIY manicures with no need for curing. If you're ready to elevate your nail game and enjoy a stunning, chip-resistant finish for weeks, the Azure Beauty Dip Powder Nail Kit is a must-have. It's the perfect gift for any nail lover, or even just a treat for yourself. Ready to get your own? Click Add to Cart now and start creating beautiful nails today. Don't forget, if you love what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button for more must-have beauty tips right here on Beautyistic. Coming in at number 1 on our countdown of the top 5 best dip powder nail systems is the Nailboo Premium Dip Nails Essentials Kit, the perfect solution for DIY enthusiasts who want salon-quality results at home. What if you could achieve a flawless, long-lasting manicure in just minutes without stepping foot into a salon. With this kit, you can. This kit includes everything you need for a stunning set of nails. 3 gorgeous colored powders. Here's a tip: Necessary Pink and Velvet Lust. Along with a build powder, 3 essential liquids, a dipping container, a 4-way file, a brush, and a cuticle pusher. Nailboo has truly thought of everything, making it easy to get that perfect manicure without any extra tools or UV lamps. Tired of spending hours in the salon or worrying about nails that chip within days? Nailboo's powder is designed for long-lasting wear, ensuring your nails stay pristine for weeks. You'll love the convenience of applying your manicure on your schedule, and it's simple to remove with just a quick acetone soak. No damage, no mess, just beautiful nails that last. This dip powder kit isn't just easy to use, it's also packed with benefits. The formula is odor-free, and the ultra-fine powder provides vibrant salon-quality color that's hard to beat. The step-by-step process is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Apply the base coat, dip into the color powder, apply the activator, and finish with the top coat for a perfect shine. Join the thousands of customers who are already raving about the Nailboo Premium Dip Nails Essentials Kit. This kit is making waves on the internet and changing the nail game, giving you the freedom to create stunning nails at home without breaking the bank. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Keep your nails looking fabulous with Nailboo, because you deserve the best. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the top 5 best dip powder nail systems. To keep up with all the best sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.